still need to make the bigger football point. Coming out of that 0-0 draw on the weekend between Liverpool and Manchester United. We're hearing now that Manchester United did not come to play. They came to defend, and it was Liverpool that dominated the game and deserved to win and blah, blah, blah. Now, first of all, a team only deserves to win when they do enough to win. So this thing about my team, Liverpool, deserving to win is nonsense. As if the defensive tactics employed by Manchester United was not football. Liverpool playing all the ball and dominating the possession and creating the better chances. All of that is completely irrelevant if it does not produce the required result. Manchester United, with far less possession, with a couple of counter-attacking moves, they played their game and was just as efficient as Liverpool. Indeed, they had the clearest chance to win the game. Yes. So the bigger point is offensive dominance and possession without scoring is worth nothing in football. So give United credit. They played like a small team and then get them small team results. Yes, them get them small. Then win the 1 point trophy, then win big up.